updated. Now let's move to the calculator. So here you will see so many updates also. So first let's me upload the file. So I will upload the file. Here you have to upload the G code first. So you can see the project name is already fetched from the file. Now in the client, here I have already saved the client. You can see in the drop down list that the client is there, so I have to just select the client. Okay, this order is for this client. If it is for new client, just create a new client. See, John. So this is where your new client is added. But you have to go back in the settings and change, add the details more in depth for the client. Over here, so this is a very interesting part here. So here it's automatically declared a PLA. Now the color. So we have red available because we have added red inventory only for the PLA material. So we have 1000 gram means 1 kg we have in the stock. So just click. Did you notice one thing in the below? It uses 8 gram means the part will going to use 8 grams the filament, and it will going to subtract that 8 gram from the total. So here this is how it automatically works. The more it going to use your filament, it will going to update automatically the inventory. So there will be subtraction. If you upload more and more parts here, then it will consume the filament. So it will going to subtract from the inventory also. So this is totally automatic. And as we seen before, if you have the inventory low, it will show warning low inventory for that filament. So this is how you will manage. So this is very good thing. You don't have to see okay how much we have left. So whenever you are doing new parts, it will automatically subtract. So you can see 8 gram will be used and 992 gram will be remaining. So this is very good feature for you. Next, we already have this feature. The bamboo is already selected. So consumer we will skip. We are going to skip this thing. We already seen this all things in detail in previous video, but here next. So this is why we have so much headache in business. The order priority, because we have so many customers, clients which need urgent requirements. But how the employee or how you would know that this is high priority? So here I have given 3 priority: low, medium and high. So if you think that this is very high priority for the customer order, then just click high priority, and then we have the due date. If client already give you the due date when they wanted this order to be ready, then you can just select the date. So just you select the date. So this is how you will get to know and notify every step of this order. So it's very easy to manage your business. So for high order priority, you can charge more for the customer. So you are making more profit now. So next we have the assigned employee. We have just seen that we have added employee who are working in our down floors. So we have John, who is 3D printer operator. So I will assign this order to this John employee. So I just click. Now we have discussed the paint. So this is a beta feature for the paint. So it's called the post processing beta feature, and just come down, include the painting job. So just enable this feature. So here you have to upload the 3MF file, not the G-code file, to calculate the surface area. This is one of the important parts. So you have to upload only 3MF file to calculate the surface area. So this is more accurately calculated surface area. I have tested with multiple models. It give me more accurately. So this is the surface area for this part. Now imagine you have to do so many layers, so many things, coatings are there. So first I will do the primer, spray primer. I will use the spray primer. So it automatically got the details. And here is the coating layers. How many coatings you want to do? Imagine you have to do 2, 1 for more smoothness. Imagine I have to do 2 coatings. It will going to calculate according to that. Then you have done primer. Then you have to do some clear coating, maybe acrylic paint. So just I want to do acrylic paint. I will select the acrylic paint. Then how many coatings? I will say only 1. And how much it will going to take time for this all both steps? I would say 1 hour. So just 1 hour. Now calculate. So you can see the paint is also calculated. So everything is ready. So you have seen so many good features now available. So now just save the code. Now see here in down, you can see the client name, the type of printer, status. So this is one of the good parts you will going to see now in the order management. Before that, you can see the priority also here. This order is very high priority and it's due date at 1:30. So everything is tracking down very easily. You will not going to lose your customer, no money. You will not going to lose your money. You are just making your more and more profit.